welcome to our IC members, IC1 and IC2. IC1, Mrs. Neena Sankar Madam, Principal, Army Public School, Prayagraj, and IC2, Sri Santosh Kumar Bal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, IIT Kharagpur. This is our security office. Namaste, guard bhaiya. Our gate, we have two gates, longer gate as well as a smaller gate, and then we are having one display board, that is we are able to show here welcome to our IC members, IC1 and IC2. IC1 Mrs. Neena Sankar, Principal, Army Public School, Prayagraj, and IC2 Mr. Santosh Kumar Bal, Principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, IIT Kharagpur, Medinapur. Now I would like to show you our boundary wall. This is our north boundary wall. Very calm and peaceful area. Our boundary is very neat and clean and green areas. And that side we are having west boundary wall. Yes, this is our west boundary wall. Very neat and clean and greenery areas. Very calm and peaceful areas we have. And we have settled this school in rural areas to display all those students, whatever poor students, as well as we are giving such a big facility to students. And these rural areas, we are having lot of park at all, and that side we are having west boundary wall. This is our parking area. All buses are settled in good manner, arranged in good way, and all those things our students cycle at all, whatever things they are coming with transport, all those things we have settled in here only. So this is our very good parking area with well settled. This is our assembly areas, our stage, assembly stage and assembly ground. Our all students are coming and standing here in queue, like class 1, class 2, class 3 up to class 12. And here also is our class 1 students are standing here and doing the prayer. And then we have play area. Our play students all are playing with this instrument, with these devices at all. Now I am going to hand over to our physical teacher.
Arti Kumari, female physical education teacher, B.Ed, B.P.Ed, Delhi Model Public School, Kulhadia, Bhojpur.
Now we are having second physical teacher. He is Dinesh Jaiswal sir.
Myself Dinesh Jaiswal, B.P.Ed, physical training instructor. Okay. This is volleyball ground.
This is our volleyball ground.
Okay. This is our volleyball ground. Okay. ये volleyball ground है. Okay. Net, volleyball, balls, court all over लंबाई. कोर्ट का मैनेजमेंट परफेक्ट है. सो इस कोर्ट को दिखाया गया है बनाकर. इसमें बच्चे कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. ये शॉर्ट ग्राउंड है. इस पे गेम बच्चे प्रॉपरली डिसिप्लिन के साथ गेम को मेंटेन करते हैं. नेट की लंबाई 10 मीटर, चौड़ाई 1 मीटर, लेंथ लंबाई ऑल ओवर कोर्ट का एंड ब्रेथ 9 मीटर, ऑल ओवर लेंथ 18 मीटर. ये हमारा कोर्ट है. सो वॉलीबॉल इस पे हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू. ये हमारा बैडमिंटन कोर्ट है. सो मैम कंटिन्यू.
ये हमारा बैडमिंटन कोर्ट है जहाँ हमारे बच्चे बैडमिंटन की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. लड़के और लड़कियाँ सभी हमारे यहाँ बैडमिंटन की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. प्रॉपर एक वेल डिसिप्लिन के साथ खेलते हैं. वो गेम में डिसिप्लिन का पूरा ख्याल रखा जाता है और उन्हें फिजिकल हार्म ना हो इस बात की भी वो पूरी तरह से सुरक्षा करते हैं.
रिक्वायरमेंट है बैडमिंटन.
जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ये कॉर्क है हमारा.
ये हमारा कॉर्क है शटल, जो इससे बच्चे हमारे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं कंटिन्यू. ओके, थैंक यू.
क्रिकेट कोर्ट है. इसमें हमारे बच्चे यहाँ क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं ये हमारा बल्ला है, सर के हाथ में बॉल है, ये विकेट्स है. और यहाँ बच्चे बखूबी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से खेलते हैं. और ना सिर्फ लड़के बल्कि हमारे यहाँ लड़कियाँ भी क्रिकेट खेलती हैं. उन्हें भी हम लोग प्रैक्टिस कराते हैं और सारी डिसिप्लिन अनुशासन के तहत खेल में अनुशासन का पूरा ध्यान रखा जाता है. आगे हमारे सर आपको देंगे.
ऑल ओवर ये हमारे क्रिकेट पिच है जो 22 यार्ड की प्रॉपर 22 यार्ड पिच है. हमारे स्टम्प 5 से 6 फुट के स्टम्प है जो इस प्रॉपर डिसिप्लिन के साथ ये ग्राउंड्स को मेंटेन किया जाता है. इस पे बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स दोनों प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. सम टाइम शॉर्ट प्रैक्टिस ग्राउंड है ये. इस पे हमारे ग्राउंड के साथ जो बच्चे स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं वो स्टेट लेवल, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल्स के लिए हमारे बच्चे क्वालिफाइड होते हैं. सो इस पे बेस्ट परफेक्ट ईयर हमारे हर साल दिल्ली मॉडल पब्लिक स्कूल पटना ब्रांच वर्सेस कुलड़िया ब्रांच से मैचेज होते हैं. जो इसके साथ विनर्स कंटिन्यू हमारे कुलड़िया ब्रांच रहे हैं अभी तक. ओके.
में डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल के हमारे यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं वो सारे बच्चों को मिले हुए ट्रॉफीज वगैरह भी रखे हुए हैं. चलिए धन्यवाद.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
बहुत है.
Now I would like to show you our physics lab. This is our physics lab. Good morning, sir. Good morning, good morning. This is our well-equipped physics lab. We are having all mandatory equipment, whatever it is available in our CBSE norms. We are all equipped with well-fitted equipments are there. We can able to show a lot of devices, physics instrument with all meter bridge and potentiometer at all. I am Rajkumar, PGP, MSc B.Ed. I am here to show you our physics lab. This is our battery eliminator, change AC to DC. This is rheostat. This is galvanometer, ammeter. This is key. This is our ohms 5 ohm. Calculate resistance. Voltmeter, resistance box with 10 keys. This is our galvanometer, voltmeter, ammeter. This is also a voltmeter. This is 15 keys resistance box, dry cell, potentiometer with 10 wire with a jockey key. This is vernier keys, prism, lens holder. This is a stopwatch, keys, two-way keys, lens, concave lens, convex lens. Now I am going to show you our stock register. This is our stock register physics lab with well-maintained stock register. All those devices are there. And then now I am going to show you practical of physics that is submitted by our student Ujjwal Raj, class 12th. We are going to show to students visually concept. By visually, they are able to understand these concepts with all instrument devices. Now I am going to show chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Before entering inside the chemistry lab, our students are going inside the do and don'ts room to get the apron and gloves at all. Now I am going to show you our chemistry lab. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Myself, Ajit Kumar Roy. I am a PG teacher here and also chemistry lab in charge, which is used to measure the volume of different types of liquids. And here is the various types of chemicals which are used in our labs. And there is also there is our chemistry lab setup with various instruments and chemicals here, such that it is a burette and conical flask. Whenever students come here for activities, we provide them with all setups, and there is availability of water to wash the dishes and equipments. Whenever the students come here for activities or practical, at first we instruct them by written for the activity or practical.
Now I am going to show you our stock register. This is our chemistry lab stock register. Which has stocked everything like test tube, leopodium powder, sodium hydroxyetol, and this is consumption of goods. Our students are going to use that instrument, the devices, then only it will consume. Whatever damaged goods is there, we are going to write here, and balanced goods are there. It is able to show from here to there. Practical file. Anjali Singh chemistry lab practical file is there, 12th A. They are submitting continuously on given time, and this is set of contents which has all experiments written here by Anjali. Thank you. Now I would like to show you our biology lab. This is our biology lab. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Priyanka Sharma. I am a conductor for PGT Biology. And this is I am showing the lab where students are performing the experiments related to the geology part and botany part. And there are also some human physiological chart also available that is on their syllabus, like digestive system, nervous system, and also human skeleton. And some also chart available, botany chart, like flower structure, because students are performing both experiments related to geology as well as botany part. And some equipments are also available here, like you can see this is a compound microscope. With the help of this, the students make a slide, and after preparing slide or already prepared slide, they see what is the component present or what the slide is there. What is the slide is there. They see with the help of this compound microscope. And some equipments are also available like glass cylinder, jar, measuring cylinder. These equipments are also used for further experiments. When we use some chemicals to apply any experiment, we use this type of equipment. And that students must not get harmed with any kind of injuries. Specimens are also available, specimens related to the 9th, 10th student also, and for study of the 11th, 12th student also. And there are some specimens like cockroach, and cockroach very much studied in arthropoda category and also used for dissection purpose in 12th standard. Some plant specimens are also available like tag root. You can see this is example of tag root. It is a conical shaped radish root.
Register.
Yes sir, this is the stock register. In that it is mentioned in the month of April 2021, some like 50 equipments or materials are purchased. That is mentioned in this biology stock register. And here is the students' biological file. Whatever experiments they perform, they have to finish in a written work in a very proper way with the diagram and what the materials they used and what is the procedure they attained for performing any experiments. And on the time they submit the file and they check and they receive. And some practical work are also available like project work, like assignments. Students also perform some practical or project assessment for their betterment growth, better knowledge enhancement. Thank you everyone.
Now I would like to show you our mathematics lab. This is our mathematics lab with well-equipped lab as per CBSE norms. All mandatory equipments are there. Good morning, sir. Kindly introduce your.
I am S. Kumar, PGT mathematics teacher in a point in school for teaching maths. Is the circle. Circle's third parts. Is three parts with four parts is semicircle. Is the instrument of the mathematics used in geometry. Here is the cylindrical shape. What the student will learn this shape of cylindricals. Here is the prism. E using the counting number or natural number, even number, odd number. Is the IX scale used in the mathematics. How to learn the place value, unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 and other place. Machine. In the use of weight is the geometry box used in the construction. Here is the shape of the cube. How to make protector used in the protect the angle. How to make angle on the one is 180 degree. But in the how to measure the whole circle angle 360 degree angle. Here is that used in geometry. How to make the construction of angle different measure angle.
Our stock register, mathematics lab stock register. So this is our stock which contains all those equipments are there. As per mandatory required items, all those items we have written here, and basically it is just stocked in our lab. So this is name and articles of this instrument. Our students are going to consume the goods. That is like one goods they have used. That means quantity should be 1. Whatever prices are there, we have written here. If any instrument has damaged, that damaged instruments we are going to write here number of instruments, and balance goods are there in our stock. Thank you. Now I would like to show you our computer lab. This is our computer lab. We have a well-equipped computer lab with more number of systems. As per CBSE norms, all mandatory requirements are there. All those mandatory configurations are there. RAM, ROM, with all coding techniques we are going to explain to students. C language, C++ language, Java, HTML, SQL at all. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon. My name is Neeraj Sinha and I am a computer teacher. I am a PGT teacher here and I am teaching here from last 8 years. And postgraduate and masters in computer application, and I also did advanced diploma in Python programming from Kodak University in Delhi, and I'm pursuing MTech from Karnataka State University, Mysore. And this is our computer lab, and we have around 26 systems there, and all the systems are updated with all the latest language, and all the systems are updated with the latest software and latest hardware.
Now I am going to show you our computer lab stock register. This is our computer lab stock register, which contains all those items and all those system configuration at all, RAM size, ROM size, and we are going to purchase every 3 months or every 2 months all those required items, whatever availability and whatever required from student side, from lab side, all those things we are going to cover in this lab. All those things are also stocked through this stock register and maintained in better way. Thank you. Now I would like to show you our library. This is our library, well equipped library with all racks and more number of volumes are there, and these are the reading areas. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Kindly introduce yourself.
Yes, good morning, sir. My name is Shalini Verma. I have done my library information science in 2011 in Vinayak University, Tamil Nadu. I am here since 2013 as a librarian. We have total 8,000 books here, and we have also 7 different types of newspaper and 11 different types of magazines. We have also 5 English newspaper and 5 Hindi newspaper, and we have also 2 digital magazines. We have very clean and
Students are coming inside the library. At that time they are going to collect the study in these areas. We have more number of racks and more number of reading areas available for students. And now I am going to show you our stock register, that is library stock register, which contains all those books stocked in our library. These are the stock register for our library. And this one, library students issue register. Whenever our students are coming inside the library and they are going to get 1 book or 2 books or 3 books at all, at that time we are going to issue the books through this students issue register. And then our teachers are also coming in library. At that time they are going to put here attendance at all, and whatever books they are going to collect from our library, they are going to issue from our library. At that time we are going to maintain this register. This is our teachers issue register. All those things are there. Thank you. Thank you.
we have also e-library facility. Here you can see our student also use
Internet.
e-library. They can want to read online books and any theoretical, practical, any types of book they can come and read here.
Now I am going to show you boys toilet areas. These are the urinals with separation of foods. More number of urinals are there. I'd like to show you our sink areas with tapped water and good facilities with soap dispensary at all. Everywhere it is available. Thank you, thank you. Now I am going to show you ladies toilet areas. These are the sink with Indian style bathrooms are there. Sink with well tapped water and soap dispensary at all. Now I would like to show you our drinking water areas. These are the taps which is connected with water tank. we are going to clean the water tank every 10 days and with some chemicals at all. It is going to filterize with that water and coming through pipe. That pipe also going to clean within month. That tank with 1000 liters. That water tank is cleaning, neat and clean. We are going to clean the water tank every month and going to put the chemicals to clean the water. And we have backside filter also. That water is going to filter with that filter devices and it is coming through pipe. Thank you. Purified water with well maintained and cleaned water. 30 liters water is there, and this especially purified water are used for parents. This is especially for parents, and other chief guests are coming in this school. At that time we are going to use this purified water. Thank you. Thank you. Now I would like to show you our special educator and counselor. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, sir.
Special educator.
Yes, sir.
Kindly introduce yourself.
Myself, Balkrishna Kumar. My father name is Sudhir Pandit. I am a MA BA and I joined here 10th April 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I would like to introduce our counselor, sir. Kindly introduce yourself, sir.
Myself, Ashok Misra. My father's name is late R.K. Misra. I joined this very school on 10th of April 2021. My educational qualification is I am postgraduate teacher in psychology.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good day, sir.
Now I am going to show you classroom areas. This is our class 1. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, sir.
Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Sudhir Kumar. I am class teacher of class 1. My education is BA and NTT. I teach in science.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
I'm going to show you class 6. This is our class 6. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Kindly introduce yourself.
Myself, Ranjan Kumar, BSc BA TGT teacher.
Which subject you are teaching here?
Maths.
Maths. Are you giving their assignments, activity to students?
Is I regularly giving assignment and
Whether they are submitting students to you? The students they have submitted to you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. Now I am going to show next class, that is class 7. This is our class 7. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Kindly introduce yourself.
मैं अनिल कुमार श्रीवास्तव, पिता स्वर्गीय महेश प्रसाद। मेरी डिग्री है MA LLB। मैं यहाँ हिंदी का क्लास लेता हूँ और TGT टीचर।
Okay, fine. So when you are going to start the class, at that time, how you are controlling the class? आप मैनेज कैसे करते हैं क्लास को?
मैं क्लास को मैनेज करने के लिए सबसे पहले बच्चों के अंतर्मन को देखता हूँ, उनकी सहज वृत्तियों, आदतों एवं इच्छाओं का अवलोकन करता हूँ और इसके उपरांत मैं क्लासेस शुरू करता हूँ। और क्लास जब भी मैं शुरू करता हूँ तो पहले मैं उस क्लास को थोड़ा मनोरंजक बनाता हूँ, रोचक बनाता हूँ, ताकि बच्चे अति रोचकता के साथ क्लास ले सकें और पूरे अंतर्मन से क्लास में मेरे साथ सम्मिलित होकर के और संगत रूप से पाठन कर सकें।
धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।
आपको धन्यवाद सर।
your next class. This is our class 9. Good morning, ma'am. Kindly introduce your.
Hello, sir. I am Neha Kumari, MSc BA. I have completed BA from the Raipur. I am the PGT teacher. I take care chemistry, Delhi Model Public School. I am class 9 teacher. Thank you, sir.
Students, how they are submitting. Nowadays online classes are going on. So how they are submitting the assignment to you, madam?
They are submitting by online. On WhatsApp they are sending. They are sending on my WhatsApp.
So you are going to tell that they are going to take the peak and converting the PDF, converting in PDF and sending you on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Very nice process. Very nice. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to show you next class. This is our class 8. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Kindly introduce yourself.
मेरा नाम जयराम प्रसाद है सर. मैं संस्कृत का शिक्षक हूँ. BA ऑनर्स, TGT, BA B.Ed.
Okay, sir. Whenever you are going to take the class, at that time, if a student will shout much, यदि वो बहुत तेज आवाज में बात करेंगे तो उस कंडीशन में आप कैसे मैनेज करते हैं सर? How you are going to manage the class at that situation?
वैसी परिस्थिति में बच्चों को समझा के बुझा के उसको शांत कराएंगे. इसके बाद अपने चैप्टर को उसके सामने प्रोड्यूस करेंगे ताकि बच्चा जब उसके बाद शांत नहीं रहे, मेरी बातों को सुने नहीं तो समझ नहीं पाता है सर. इसलिए मेरा फर्स्ट काम है मेंटेन पीस इन योर क्लास.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I am going to show you next class. This is our class 10. Good morning, sir. Kindly introduce yourself.
I am Abhishek Kumar, BA B.Ed. I am assistant teachers from class 7th to 10th.
Okay, fine. So while you are taking the class, at that time, if you are giving any questions to students, at that time, if they have not solved that questions, then how you are managing?
I manage to answer that questions in a different way. In that way, that students understand that point of view, that how the histories or geographies questions and answers were carried out with the different point of views.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Next, I would like to show you our class 11th. This is our proposed class 11th. Right now, not yet started. We are waiting for result to start the class 11th. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Satish Kumar Mishra. I have completed my MA and B.Ed. I am an English teacher at Delhi Model Public School, Kularia, Ara, Bhojpur. I teach English from class 9 to 12. Thank you.
We are going to take the class. If students are having language problem like grammatical problem, then how you are going to sort out that problem within few minutes or within 3 to 5 minutes? Are you able to explain?
Yes, sir. First, I give some sentences and by giving them examples and illustrate the things, what are the mistakes that they have not understand, and I will elaborate it.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I would like to show you next class, class 12th. This is our class 12th. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Kindly introduce yourself.
Myself Prashant Kumar Singh, PGT teacher. I am teaching here physics. Thank you, sir.
Whenever you are going to explain to a student at that time, and they are not able to write the class notes, they are not writing the class notes, they are not maintaining the class notes, at that time, how you are going to manage to that class and how much and which things you are going to elaborate to students, then only they can able to write the class notes.
I will convince them to write their answer.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Fire safety equipment in all corridor and laboratory, it is available. Whenever going to, it will become and occur as a firing. At that time, we are going to use the gas and using that area to vanish the fire. Thank you. Now I would like to show you medical room as well as wellness room. So this is our medical room and wellness room. Well equipped medical room with all stretcher and all devices are there, with first aid box, thermometer, stethoscope are there. We are giving here nurse facility as well as doctor facility. Whenever students are feeling unhealthy, then they are coming inside the sick room, medical room, and our nurse going to cover them, going to take over them. And if it is very serious problem is there, very major problem is there, at that time we are having facility that is call doctor. Thank you. I am going to show you our staff room. This is our staff room with all students attendance register and teachers. Our teachers are doing here R&D, creative things, research and development, and they are going to make here lesson plan and all lecture things at all. They are going to maintain the lectures, assignment, they are going to maintain the copy correction, answer sheet correction, and finally they can make the result in this room. And this is India map. Whenever they are free, they are going to watch the India map and concentrating which things and which states are in which angle and which areas. Thank you, thank you. Next, I would like to show you our reception. This is our reception areas with help desk. Good morning, ma'am. Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Pooja Roy and I am receptionist here. I am working here for two years.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You are maintaining all registers at all. While parents are entering inside the school, at that time you are going to maintain the register. Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, now I would like to show you our admission counter. This is our admission counter. Good morning, ma'am. Kindly introduce yourself.
I am Kumar Singh. I am admission in charge of school.
Now I would like to show you our fee counter. This is our fee counter. Good morning, sir. Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Anil Kumar. Father name is Ram Sevak Singh.
Now I would like to show you our temples. This is our temples. Now I would like to show you our activity room with indoor game. This is our indoor game room. Whenever our teachers are having leisure period, at that time they can use the indoor game facilities. They are now playing the carrom board at all. There is our physical education teacher. He is Jaswal sir. Kindly explain to this sir. And also she is our PH ma'am.
कैरम एंड चेस लूडो यहाँ पर वाइड इंडोर गेम्स को आसानी से गेम्स को खेलते हैं। यहाँ पर बच्चे के लिए लेवल से जूनियर्स सीनियर्स बच्चे आकर यहाँ पर लूडो चेस एंड स्नैक्स ऑल ओवर गेम्स एंड जूनियर्स वाइज कैरम्स बोर्ड बैट क्रिकेट्स एंड projects file indoors.
Now I would like to show you our principal office.
Hello sir, hello ma'am. I am Mrs. Deepshikha and I am the principal of Delhi Model Public School, Kulhadia. It is situated in Bhojpur, district of Bihar. It is a rural area, and we have been catering a good quality education to the students of this place, which has been deprived of good and well education since long. But since 9 to 10 years, we have been catering good education to the locals of this place. Not only education, but also good extracurricular activities, sports, and we also years we have been catering good and quality education to the students of this place. Not only education, but we also make sure that the students grow well in a clean and good atmosphere, so that they can. We have put our documents on the public disclosures. Some of the documents in the public disclosure. Let me show you. ये तो फिर पता ही नहीं इसको नहीं इसको हाँ exactly. Are needed documents on the public disclosure. Some of the documents like the copies of affiliation, the copies of societies and trust, the no objection certificate, that is the NOC, and copy of valid building safety certificates, fire safety certificate, the DEO certificate submitted by the school, copies of valid water, health and sanitation. Some of the documents like the DEO and the fire safety, I'll show you. This is the DEO certificate that we have put on the public disclosure. This is the, let me show you the building safety certificate. This is also we have put on the public disclosure. Now comes and this is the certificate of sanitation and regarding the safe drinking water. That this also have been put on the public disclosure where people can see, and this was the all the other certificates and that is needed or that is all the other documents that is needed have been compiled in this file. Apart from that, this is the attendance register, the service register of the teachers, the attendance register, and this is the salary register of our teachers. At last, I would like to tell that since 11-12 long years, we are trying to provide quality education to such a remote area, and I know that knowledge is always the base of a good future, and with all my selfless service, I would like to give my students a very good future by my hard work. And at last, I would like to thank the IC members for giving us their precious time to take the tour of our school, and hope to see you again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You have shown all documents with all certificates and register it all. Thank you. Thank you.